everyone, and today we will look into another variable, which is integer plus the concatenation of string with the integer. So in my last video I explained a string name which is in inverted commas or quotations. So system.out is the syntax for printing a line like my name is, and the string is save. Yasir is string is saved in string holder, which is a bucket hold, just like a bucket holder name, and this will print my name is plus is used for concatenation of strings or string into string plus integers. So this will print my name is Yasir, which you can see over here. So now further to expand, let's declare an integer which is capital I integer. You can see it's in java.line class, and the holder will be the variable holder will be age, and it will be around like 30, which I'm not. Okay, so there is a particular size for integer to hold, so I'll explain it now. So if 30 is there, so what I can do is system.out.println and my name is concatenate. This will print Yasir plus this is not addition. I just want to inform you, this is not addition, this is concatenation of two strings or string plus integer. So again, and my age is space plus age, which is 30. Okay, so let's give it a try, run, and here you can see my name is Yasir, and look, there is no space between Yasir and N. Why? Because the compiler take space as a character and it will print as it is. So I should put a space over here and then compile again. Now you can see it's my name is Yasir and my age is 30. So plus is the concatenation between the strings and the integer, and in the future the long, double, whatever, the float, all. So there is a particular value with the reason for declaring integers. Like if we want to hold longer numbers or bigger numbers like 0.5, we cannot do it with integers. We have to go for float, which I explain in my future videos. So there is a limit, there is a size for integer, which is, you can say, check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. Yeah, it give you an error. You can see the error message. If you compile this, integer number too large, right? So if you delete one digit and then compile, so this is acceptable, like it accept 10 digits. You can see my name is Yasir and my age is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0. So there is a limit to integers, and if you want to use even more like decimal numbers, we can use float, which I'll explain in my future videos. So this was a short one, and if you find anything missing in integers, the declarations, or you need any help, just comment me below. And if you like the video, subscribe to my channel and let me know what further I can teach in my future videos. Thank you.